What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Fita Gray. I'm back with another video, and I ordered some more snacks from Universal Yums, and this time we're trying snacks from Brazil. So let's get into it. Let's see what they taste like. What's the first one?
Barbecue flavored mini crispy wheat puffs.
Oh,
Barbecue flavored mini crispy wheat puffs.
see?
Yes.
See? Looks like cereal. See? Hold on, let me make sure it ain't expired.
They got a shish kebab on
Okay.
I don't like the way these look.
Let's see.
No. It just
Tastes like tortilla.
it just tastes plain.
Tastes
No.
like a Frito. I can't taste no barbecue though.
That's definitely not barbecue. It tastes dry. I don't like it.
It is dry. There ain't no flavor on
No
it.
flavor. I'll get
We'll
that.
say wheat puffs, right?
I'll give it a 1 out of 10.
All right, next we are about to try the
Sweet popcorn.
sweet popcorn. Let's see.
From Brazil.
Here, y'all taste it first. Make sure it's safe. Girl, get one.
Mm.
Is it stale?
Y'all, it tastes like a stale, I don't even know. Definitely didn't give him popcorn.
It ain't stale, but it tastes like sugar-free popcorn.
0 out of 10.
It's not that bad.
0
Low-key
out of
tastes like
10.
Pops.
And it leave a bad aftertaste in my mouth. Definitely not. 0 out of 10. All right, y'all. The next one is a soft peanut candy tube. Ugh. I don't even like the way that sounds. A candy tube. Tubitos. Oh no, that's
That is not it. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, that little pack. Why they make it look?
It's all soft, y'all.
I already don't like it. Cause you said it's soft. That's what it said too. Soft peanut candy tube.
It's like mushed.
This what y'all eating in Brazil?
Ooh. Crumb fell.
This shit crumbly.
Dang, how you supposed to taste it? That's how it's supposed to look.
It's actually good.
That's good. That's
it tastes
good.
like
It tastes like that one peanut butter bar candy. You know what I'm talking
a
about?
Chico stick. Ain't that what you talking about?
No, but they like square. I mean, not square, rectangle. And it's like white. With...
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
This is actually good, y'all. It's like a peanut butter.
Surprisingly good.
It's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
I
get
like
that
that
one.
one.
I'll get that one like an 8.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8.5. It's good.
Alright. And the next one is a white chocolate wafer with passion fruit flavored filling. I don't like filled things.
Trinto. It's called Trinto. Litmus de Masaida.
She trying to speak Brazil.
See. Let's break it apart and see. It smells like banana. What is lemon? Oh. Look, it smells like perfume. Does that mango?
Passion fruit.
Oh,
It stinks.
passion fruit. She being extra, y'all. It's different.
Babe, you like
7
that?
out of 10. I like it. That's good. That passion fruit tastes fresh.
Too fresh.
Good. Ain't no such thing as too fresh.
That? I'll get that like a 5. The passion fruit I don't like it. What you give it?
Didn't I say? Oh, I didn't rate it?
No.
I thought I just rated it.
No, you said that passion fruit is different.
Oh, it's like an 8.
I don't like that one.
It's good.
Okay, y'all. Now we about to try super sour jellies. Super sour jellies.
Is it these? There's 2 different ones. This one.
Super.
Oh. These look like
Sour shrooms.
what's that
Apple
thing
ring.
called? No, sour gummy worms, but it's a circle.
Like peach rings.
No, they look like sour gummy worms because of color. Some of them ain't even see different. Brazil, y'all snacks is cool so far, but Korea got y'all beat. I'm not gonna lie. Those Korean snacks was fire.
It's okay.
This one tastes like bubblegum.
That one tastes like a peach ring. It's cool. I give it like an 8. It's not super sour though.
It's not sour at all.
Maybe extra with the super. Like
She's doing too much. Next one, choco cake with sprinkles. Filiso Bolino.
I guess that's how you say cocoa cake with sprinkles.
Choco.
Teloso. Bolijo.
Oh, it looks like a little muffin. It's fresh. They just baked this thing.
They do smell good.
Wanna get a piece?
That's how it look on the inside though. It smells really good.
Try it.
It's decent.
Tastes like a fake Hostess cupcake.
It tastes more like a
Oh, it's chocolate on there.
yeah, it tastes more like a, what am I trying to say? Like a bread cake.
Y'all see that chocolate on the inside? Oh, shoot.
Girl. It's pretty good. It's moist.
Tastes like a zinger.
There you go. I think that's what I was thinking about with the frosting on top. That's what it tastes like. But instead the frosting's in the middle of the cake. I get that one like an 8.
That's a it's cool. It's probably a 6. Like diet chocolate.
Next one. I already know I'm not gonna like this one. Tropical flavor with banana bits.
Get over. Tropical. Oh, this.
Tropical flavor with banana bits.
Now this looks like a mango.
That's crazy.
This looks like a mango. It says banana bits. Don't that look like a mango, y'all?
Oh wait, that is a mango. That's the milk chocolate bar mango filled. Sorry.
She read the wrong one, y'all. Milk
bad.
chocolate bar with mango flavor
Filling.
filling.
Like I said
And
before,
160 calories. Sheesh.
I don't like stuff that has filling in it.
Open it. I got chocolate all on my hands, y'all. Don't mind me, y'all. I just got off work. I'm kind of tired, and I'm doing this video for y'all. Because I love y'all. Break me a little piece. It's like a Hershey bar. Yeah, I gotta get a little. What is that, mango in there? Mango. Y'all see that mango? Smell it. This might hit. Let's see. Look, it look like that Andy.
The chocolate is okay, but I don't like the mango on the
This
inside.
girl being extra as hell.
I don't like filled stuff, y'all. Like,
Yes, you do.
no, I don't.
You do eat filled stuff.
Not like this. Like,
Yeah.
what do I eat with that
She
has
tell a
filling?
story. I'm trying to get her in the camera. She don't know this YouTube stuff, y'all. She's supposed to be in the center.
Can you stop saying that?
Supposed to be in the center.
Can you
You're
stop
all
saying
out
that?
the frame.
This is nasty.
It tastes like straight chocolate to me. I didn't even taste that mango.
You taste it right.
The next one, tropical flavor with banana bits. Now that's the one. All right. All right. It's fancy packaging. Ooh, $18.91. Ooh. Banana bits and caramel.
Why you give me this?
Girl, taste it. Smell like banana. Tastes like butterscotch.
It tastes like,
This is good, you guys.
this actually is good. I can't put my finger on what it
I'll
tastes
give it a
like.
9 out of 10. This is good.
I get it like a 9 out of 10. But don't it taste like something like
Something
can't-
good.
put my finger on it?
A frap. Ice cream.
I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes like something I've tasted before. It's good. I'll give that one a 9 out of 10. Okay.
What's the next one?
Berry cheesecake flavored sandwich cookies. Babe likes stuff like this.
I like them strawberry cookies from Korea. They was good. Let's see what these look like. Get you a cookie. Looks like a little pie.
too bad.
What you
But
rate?
it's kind of dry. I get it like a 7.
But can't you taste the strawberry?
Yeah. I could taste the strawberry though.
I give it a 6.5.
It's alright.
My bad, we over here smacking, especially her.
Shut up. I'm trying to taste it. Excuse me.
Ooh,
Okay, next one.
you need some milk.
Watermelon flavored sour gummies.
Sorry, y'all. She just learned how to read. Watermelon flavored sour gummies.
You read them then since I don't know how to read.
So this is like Sour Patch watermelon.
How's she gonna try and say it's like that? She don't know.
Ugh.
Damn. My shit was a little hard.
It ain't hard. It's just like gummy. Stop lying. Come on, it's hard.
I said mine was hard to bite. It was hard. You didn't see me?
This is good.
That is good.
9 out of
It
10.
tastes like a watermelon.
I would eat these.
Watermelon ring. The little rings.
It tastes like the watermelon Jolly Rancher. It do.
It's good.
All right, y'all. This is our last one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that bell so you can get notified every time I drop a banger. That's our last one.
Milk caramel with coffee and cream flavor.
Oh, because they got in the bag.
Well, that could be the last.
Teeny Yums. It's a mixture of chocolates. And it has milk caramel with coffee and creme flavor and milk and coconut caramel. We gotta try both. She be trying to try one, y'all. So which one we trying first? The milk caramel with coffee and creme flavor. It's like a Tootsie Roll.
It smells good.
It's like a Tootsie Roll.
It's too coffee.
I don't like it, y'all.
Mm-mm.
That's probably the worst one. That's the difference. That shit don't even taste like chocolate. What is that?
Too much coffee.
That
It's
tastes like coffee to me.
Well, you don't drink coffee like that, so.
I know what coffee tastes like.
Yeah, but it tastes like
espresso.
Yeah, like just straight espresso shot of coffee. Ugh. Babe, I'm gonna have to brush my teeth after that one. I don't like the way that one tastes.
Chocolate all over my nose.
This is the caramel coconut.
Milk and coconut caramel. Told y'all she don't know how to read. She said vanilla.
That's because I wasn't reading. I was just looking at it.
And coconut caramel.
All these chewy ass, toothache.
You gotta get a bite
candy.
of both.
I did.
So, what you rate this one?
I rate that one like an 8. It was pretty good.
I would give it a 7.5. That caramel hit. But yeah, y'all. That's it for this video. Y'all just watched us try snacks from Brazil. They was alright. made, but Korea topped it. I'm gonna order another one, and we're gonna try another one. And yeah, make sure y'all tune into that video.
All right, y'all.
I'm out.